Hello everyone, myself Sakshi Thorat. I am here to present my MS activity Mini Tesla Coil. So let's begin. So these are the requirements of the Mini Tesla Coil. First one is a copper coil, then 22K resistor, battery connector, transistor, on-off switch, 9-volt battery, soldering wire, soldering gun and soldering paste, simple connecting wire and Loctite. These are the sample of the circuit diagram of Tesla coil which I had referred. So let's move towards the procedure. Let's start the procedure. First, make the rounds of the copper coil around the hollow PVC pipe as shown in the video. Then, insert the upper end of the copper coil into the hole which we had made at the upper side of the PVC pipe. Then, take a wooden board. The PVC pipe on which we had made the rounds of the copper coil. Loctite. Now stick this PVC pipe with the help of the Loctite on the wooden board. Like this. Then solder the resistor and the lower end of the copper coil to the middle of the transistor. We already made 3 turns of the connecting wire. Then connect the one end of the connecting wire to the transistor. Then solder the remaining end of the connecting wire on-off switch and the remaining end of the resistor. Like this. Now take a battery connector. Then solder the one end of the connector to the on-off switch and the remaining end of the connector is to the remaining end of the transistor as shown in the video. Now take a battery. Stick this battery with the help of the Loctite on the wooden board. Now connect the connector like this. So let's see how we had made the 3 turns of the simple connecting wire around the copper coil surrounded the hollow PVC pipe. It's shown in the first diagram. Then how we had connected upper end of the copper coil to the silver foil surrounded the plastic ball. It's shown in the second diagram. Now let's move towards the working of our model, that is a mini Tesla coil. So let's get started. This is the switch. Now the switch is off. You can see the bulb is not glowing anywhere. Then we're going to on the switch. You can see we have on the switch. Now the bulb is glowing. When we get away from the coil, the bulb is not glowing. When we get closer, then again the bulb is glowing. This is the working of the Tesla coil. Then switch off the switch. So this is all about the working of our model mini Tesla coil. So let's see the references. First one is a YouTube videos. Second one Google. Difficulties faced by me. First one is choosing the proper video. As there are so many videos on the YouTube, so choosing the proper video is such a difficulty. Second, choosing appropriate resistor and the switches. As you already know that for choosing the proper resistor, we must know about the color coding of the resistor. So this is such a difficulty and task for me. Third one is soldering. That's all from my side. Thank you so much all of you for patiently listening me, and thank you ma'am for giving me the chance to represent myself. Thank you.